Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Dokan as a trigger in BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this video, I will explain how to add a new vendor in Dokan. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Dokan as a trigger. Next, let's add Dokan as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Dokan New Vendor Added as the trigger. Now, click on the Listen Response button, and go to the WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the Dokan Vendors page. Next, click on the Add New button, and complete the process of adding a new vendor. Once a vendor has been successfully created, the vendor creation response will appear like this. This data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Dokan trigger to our flow. That's how you can easily set up Dokan as a trigger in BitFlows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.